Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Now we are discussing about biotechnology MCQs. In this video, we will discuss about some important previous year questions from biotechnology. First question, endocytosis is inhibited by answer options cytochalasin B, tunicamycin, Taxol, vincristine. Correct answer is cytochalasin B. Cytochalasin B is the organic heterocyclic compound. It inhibited the anti-polymerization. It will stop the cellular morphology and cellular processes, which lead to the cell destruction. Second question, Voges-Prosker test is a biochemical test used in bacteria for answer options test end product of their metabolic process, presence of toxic molecule, presence of cellulose, presence of nitrogen source. Correct answer is test end product of their metabolic processes. Voges-Prosker test, also known as VP test. This test is used to detect acetoin in a bacterial broth culture. Third question, thiamine deficiency leads to answer options scurvy, beriberi, night blindness, pellagra. Correct answer is beriberi. Vitamin B1 is the thiamine. Thiamine rich foods are grains, meats, nuts, beans, peas. Fourth question, a drug which prevents uric acid synthesis by inhibiting the enzyme xanthine oxidase is answer options aspirin, allopurinol, colichin, probenecid. Correct answer is allopurinol. Another function of allopurinol is kidney stone prevention. Fifth question, the immunoglobulin present in most abundant quantity is answer option immunoglobulin G, immunoglobulin A, immunoglobulin M, immunoglobulin E. Correct answer is immunoglobulin G. Immunoglobulin G present in the body is 70 to 75%. Main function of the immunoglobulin G is destruction of bacterial and viral cells. Sixth question, main function of fimbriae in bacteria is answer options translation, transduction, conjugation, transcription. Correct answer is conjugation. Seventh question, the excreta of common wall lizard is rich in answer options ammonia, urea, uric acid, allantoin. Correct answer is uric acid. Eighth question, G1 phase of the cell cycle is usually absent in answer options HeLa cells in culture, early cleavage stage cells, senescent fibroblast cells, intestinal epithelial cells. Correct answer is early cleavage stage cells. Ninth question, oxidation of which substance in the body yields the most calories? Answer options glucose, glycogen, protein, lipids. Correct answer is lipids. 10th question, name the immunoglobulin involved in body allergic reaction. Answer options immunoglobulin E, immunoglobulin A, immunoglobulin M, immunoglobulin D. Correct answer is immunoglobulin E. 11th question, eukaryotic chromosome is metabolically most active at answer options prophase, metaphase, anaphase, interphase. Correct answer is interphase. 12th question, mesosomes are the invaginations of the plasma membrane in bacteria which helps in answer options cell division, locomotion, digestion, respiration. Correct answer is cell division. 13th question, Which one of the following protein is a major cell cycle regulator? Answer options are E2F, EcoR1, E47, PIT1. Correct answer is E2F. 14th question. HDL is synthesized and secreted from. Answer options: pancreas, liver, kidney, muscle. Correct answer is liver. HDL is the high density lipoprotein. It is known as good cholesterol. Liver secretes 70 to 80% of the total HDL in the plasma. 15th question. Hemophilia A is due to the deficiency of clotting factor. Answer option: 7, 5, 10, 8. Correct answer is 8. It is a genetic disorder caused by missing of the factor 8. 16th question. The following anticoagulant binds with calcium 2+ and prevent blood clotting. Answer options: heparin, oxalate, protein C, all. Correct answer is oxalate. 17th question. Archaebacteria differ from eubacteria because archaebacteria. Answer options: lack muramic acid in cell wall, have ether linked lipids, have ester linked lipids. Both A and B. Correct answer is both A and B. 18th question. Mature erythrocytes do not contain. Answer option: glycolytic enzyme, HMP shunt enzyme, pyridine nucleotide, ATP. Correct answer is pyridine nucleotide. 19th question. The intermediate filament which connects desmosome and hemidesmosomes are. Answer options: actin, tubulin, keratin, fibronectin. Correct answer is keratin. 20th question. The number of heme groups present in myoglobin is. Answer options: 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct answer is 1. Thank you all of you for watching this video.